Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I like to share with you how I packaged up these two set of tags. So I'm hoping that by now you've already watched this video and this video. So now I'm going to share with you how I packaged them up. I decided to make envelopes for them, so they are kind of like little mini envelopes. Let me just show you really quickly some of the supplies that I used. I made some toppers using this die. In the front of each envelope, I used this die right here. It is Labels number 9 by Spellbinders, and on one of them I used the word joy, and this is by Diamond Dice. Okay, so here are my mini loaded envelopes. So I will show them to you one by one, and then I will take one apart so you can see what's in it. So there is that Polkadoodle image. So again, I used the Polkadoodle Winnie Winterland, and of course I'm going to link that down below along with the coupon code. And this is also part of that collection. This is just a poinsettia from Hobby Lobby, and there are my two tags. And it's just so pretty. I love her. I think she's adorable. Here is another one. And pretty much I did the same thing with all of them, you guys. So they can all coordinate together. One of them is just slightly different. And I'll show that one to you. This one right here. That is because this was the first one I made. More like, you know, traditional colors. I wasn't sure how I was going to, you know, decorate this envelope. This was my original idea, but then I decided to decorate them this way. But this one is going out to Lisa because I think she prefers traditional colors. I'm not sure, but this one's going out to her. And of course, this is also from Winnie White Christmas. All of the envelopes, the prints are from Winnie White Christmas, and then the images are from Winnie Winterland. So let me take one apart and show you what that looks like. Let's do this one right here. So of course I have in the front the two tags, the two set of tags. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And then these picks are from Walmart. I got these last year. And that's what this looks like. So it's 20 party picks. They only come in green and red. So I added that. This is just a die cut that I got from Michael's. And then I added some of these tags that you can get from Target because I really like them. This is also from Michael's. Each person has a set of these stickers. This is originally it's see-through, so I just added that piece of paper just so it can match with the, you know, with the rest of the stuff. This is just a foam sticker, that piece. It's a digital download from Polkadoodles. And then of course this, I added the paper to match, you know, the rest of the stuff. So you can see the originals in there. And then each one also has one of these stickers. I got these last year. And here is the actual envelope, you guys. So I did line the inside. And that's what the envelope looks like. So I'm not going to show you each one because they are all the same. Okay, so here it is back again, all inside. I don't know if this is how they're going to arrive to each person like this, because, you know, in the mail they get all mixed up. But really quickly, I want to show you the tags that I made. I mean, not the tags, the bag toppers that I made. It is this die right here. And they are all really pretty much the same. So this doily right here, I believe, is from Echo Park, and I just added a couple of circles and then the word believe. This is just a snowflake sticker from Dollar Tree, and I just added that bling. This bling is really pretty, you guys. This was gifted me from Gloria, who is Crafty Cakes here on YouTube, and it is just so beautiful. I really love these. So that's what I added to each center of the snowflakes, and it's so cute. So you can see that the shabbier ones or the soft colored ones are pretty much the same. It just has a different image. And look at that snowman. He's so cute. And then here is the one that's more traditional colors. And there's the word joy. Again, that snowflake with the bling. And then Mrs. Claus is Santa Claus. So cute. And here is what they look like, all packaged up, ready to go to each of my swap partners. So I hope they like it. I hope they love the tags because I love them, you guys. And I think my favorite one is probably that gumball machine. All right, so that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you all have an amazing day. Bye, everyone.